So, what's your name and what do you do for a living?
My name is John Brenchley. I run a manufacturing sourcing business out of China.
So, manufacturing sourcing, what is that exactly?
What we do is we help U.S. companies set up relationships with manufacturing companies in China.
Oh, nice. So, pretty much, if you have a business in America and you want to find manufacturers, you just go to you.
Yes, that's right. That's right. You go to me. Yeah, I have a team in China. 8 people set up in China where we're inside the factories. We monitor the quality. We negotiate the pricing. We make
Interesting. That
ships out,
sounds smart.
ship out.
Wow. So, any manufacturing like that I need, just go to you.
That's right.
Wow. How'd you come up with that idea?
I lived in Shanghai for 5 years. I speak Mandarin Chinese.
Wow.
I served a mission for the Church of Jesus Christ of Latter-day Saints in Taiwan.
Interesting.
And so I speak Mandarin fluently, and just been working my relationships and contacts.
Nice. And how much do you make a year doing what you do, if you don't mind me asking?
It's a little personal, but company we do over $80 million in sales.
Nice. And any financial advice for people out there, who want to be entrepreneurs? That
Sure.
yeah.
Yeah, the financial advice is making money is not easy.
Yeah.
And when you do make it, you got to hold on to it so you can generate more money.
Interesting.
And once you do make that money, you got to continue to invest it, save it, and then generate more money.